Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to sign up for PrizePicks without ID. Firstly, start by providing your email address during the sign up process on the PrizePicks sign up page. If you have a referral code, enter it as instructed. In order to proceed, you must verify your identity by submitting a government-issued ID. This step is crucial to confirm you are above the legal age, as PrizePicks is only available for adults. Once your ID is successfully verified, you will receive a notification confirming your verification. After verification, you'll be redirected to the deposit page where you can add funds to your account and begin using PrizePicks. So, signing up without PrizePicks without verifying your ID is not possible. The ID verification step is mandatory for security purposes, ensuring all users are legal of age to participate. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.